Hey, it's Emilia and I'm going to be showing you how to pack your bag and all the travel packing tips that I use when I'm going away. I use this 40-litre backpack for carry-on because it means that I don't have to pay for checked luggage. And the bag I use is the Fairview 40-litre from Osprey. My favourite thing about this bag is it opens like a clamshell style, which basically means that I can access everything really easily. So firstly I bring 2 pairs of shoes, 1 pair of sandals, and then these trainers which are water friendly so I can wear them on hikes, in water or through a city. This is my #1 packing tip, using compression packing cubes. These have honestly saved me so much space in my luggage and they keep everything really organised so that you don't have everything just falling out your bag. So I always bring 3 compression packing cubes. This one has all my bottoms in, so I bring 2 pairs of trousers, 1 skirt, 2 dresses and 3 pairs of shorts. And in this one I keep all of my tops. So I have 4 t-shirts and 4 vest tops and then 1 set of pyjamas. And then in this one I keep all of my swimwear and underwear, which usually lasts me 7 to 10 days. And if you're going somewhere tropical, always bring a rain jacket because this is going to save you if there's a sudden downpour. And this even folds up into a pillow so I can take it on the flight and just use it as a headrest. And of course I always bring something warm. I have this fleece which folds up really thin so it doesn't take up any extra space in my bag. I always bring a separate pouch for my laundry so that everything doesn't get mixed up. And speaking of laundry, I always bring travel wash, which means that I don't always have to pay to put my clothes through a wash. I can just do them in a sink and hang them up in my room. So if you're like me and you like to bring a lot of toiletries, one way to get around this is by using shampoo and conditioner bars. These are great because they don't count towards your 100ml liquids and they last so much longer than regular shampoo bars. Remember to put all your 100ml liquids in a plastic bag because otherwise you'll have to switch it to one at the airport. I always take a microfiber towel because they're super lightweight and don't take up room in your bag. Here's a few more travel essentials. This is an international travel adapter, so it works for about every country in the world. And yeah, I really recommend bringing one of these. I also always bring a portable charger because on long flights there's not always somewhere to charge your phone, especially on budget airlines, so always bring a good portable charger. If you have one, it's a good idea to bring a padlock so that you can lock up all your valuables if you're staying in a hostel. So as well as my 40-litre backpack, I also bring a tote bag which can be easily folded up in my bag, and then I can use this on a day out or for my in-flight essentials. Now this one you don't have to bring, but I always recommend noise cancelling headphones because they are a lifesaver on long-haul flights when you just want to shut out the rest of the world and listen to your music or get some rest. And it's also a good idea to bring a filtered water bottle so that you can fill it up wherever you are and you don't have to buy some plastic bottles. And lastly, I always bring my bum bag to keep important things like my passport and my Visa card so that I don't have to withdraw foreign currencies. Anyway, I hope you found these packing tips useful, and in the next video, Joel and I are going to be doing a 24-hour budget challenge in Budapest. See you then. Bye!